Well, Tony got back from his California spring break vacation, and we got the air conditioning unit in with all the ducting and everything. And we got the wiring in place on a preliminary basis. And I know it looks like there's a lot of wires here, and there are, but there aren't really that many connectors. We've got, I mean, these are for the roof and for the windows, and we've got everything pretty much figured out here. Plus, we've got the 1989 road map car outside of the garage door there that we can use for reference, and a few pieces, because, you know, if I can just pull a part out of that car, it saves me having to go to shed. And even though I got everything cataloged in all the boxes, I mean, all I got to do is pull a screw out and take apart for this car, that just saves a lot of time. So yeah, I'm really feeling pretty good about this. We got the fiber optics all sorted out. It's an interesting system. Inside there's a light bulb socket, and coming out of the end is fiber optic cable that goes to all the stuff on the air conditioning unit. This one goes to the ignition switch. These are for the light switch. There's a couple of them to the light switch. When you turn the lights on, that bulb goes on and everything lights up. It's kind of a cool system. So we got that all sorted out. That's ready for when the dash goes in. The dash is going to go in the last thing because we can wire everything up except for a few minor things and test everything out. Don't want to power anything up right now when you got that mess laying there. You don't want wires shorting and melting wires and that sort of thing, particularly up front firewall. So things are moving along here. But I mean, this is the biggest challenge on doing this car, getting everything sorted out and working underneath the dash. Everything up front, the firewall, that's pretty much been taken care of when I did the engine overhaul. So yeah, when we get this sorted out, then we're going to move on to the doors and windows, and after that's done, then we're going to go to the convertible top, get that working. And like I said, after this mess is done here, I'm not going to say it's easy, but it's all stuff that, I mean, we've done this stuff, with the exception of a convertible top. We've never done that before, but Tony's Captain Electron, and he can figure that out pretty easy. So there you are.